Good morning, YouTubers. So we had a bit of a productive day yesterday, although it doesn't really look like it when you look at that. But yeah, all that up there was completely foobarred. So I've had to cut that out. I've reshaped it all. I've built a new edge to go down there because I could get my finger in the door gap at the top, and that wasn't going to do. So yeah, I've used this piece of rubber here to give me a nice profile so I can get the filler nice and roundy, even if it is a little bit high on there. Yeah, the top edge of the wing looked like it had been attacked with something that attacks things. The front edge starting to take a nice shape. I'm going to smear a filler in a minute. I had to stop doing the DA sanding this morning though, literally, because there was water spraying out of the DA everywhere. So we've come in here, we've got a wet patch. That's what leaks out on its own, the wet patch. But oh god, yeah, look at that. That's just the humidity in the air here. I really should get some sort of water drying system on this. So yeah, we're dealing with that, but that's the least of our worries. We've got the same thing with the door cap at the bottom, as well as some horrendous repair work. So I've had to cut the door off, well I've had to cut the back edge off. I'm making up this at the moment. So I'm going to have to let that in there. And before I let that in there, I'm going to have to do something with that lot in there, because that was just made out of plastic and goat spit, basically. So that's had to come out. And any of you who've been with me since the beginning, you might remember one video where I said you don't want to be looking at those sills. Well, that's the good part. You wait till we get to the back door. So basically, looks like I am going to be sticking this and then shaping up this and then hopefully getting a bit more filler on by the end of the afternoon. But we will have Solardo banging out the tunes from Ibiza, along with Claptone, Sam Divine and some other tasty purveyors of banging house tunes. So that's about it for now. Catch up with you later on this afternoon. Cheerio.